auxiliary winches both adopt single-layer rope technology. The service life of the wire rope is 2 to 4 times longer than that of the multi-layer rope, and the cost is lower. The double jib parallelogram luffing mechanism has a large support angle. The independent, intelligent, high-power, temperature-controlled hydraulic oil cooler is suitable for high-temperature construction and can adjust fan speed with temperature changes. The system uses bus panel design to prevent misoperation. As a multi-function machine, XR240E can realize the quick switching of functions such as